Hakapor ba ka Sarkar Meghalaya kalabu hakmat ban kentiu ya kapuli puthi hakalyang ka science ka State Council of Science, Technology and Environment Meghalaya kalastang ya ka science exposure trip arajar arhusan na kabenta ki samla puli ki ba nagicakan nong kendong ki balai shimbenta hakachingalang ba science congress hakani gejala house nem baladem menta kasni ka kenhun jong laipo nyongwat ki samla puli kilami bandia shibenta bat hapo ubnai kelalengkot hadu shispa saupon riungwat ki samla puli ya ki bala phia haki sau kenhun ken salet yuk chat shaki jaka puli science ki ba khampau kum ha kolkata chennai bat bengaluru.
These are the students who have participated in the National Children's Science Congress in the previous year, 2024, and we are giving this opportunity to them so that they can get themselves exposed, get themselves new learning and skills by interacting with scientific institutions in different states of the country.
And this exposure trip is organized to those students participate in the Science Congress organized by the state, and then this is opportunity for them to go and explore all the scientific institution organizing by the different state council out there in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu.